Hello, everybody. Good evening. I really hope you all are fine and
Yeah.
how you guys are doing.
Thank you for having us
Doing
here,
good.
Khushbu.
All
Yeah.
good. Thank
Thanks,
you.
Khushu.
It's really great to have you. So I watched the trailer. I know we don't have much time, so like we can directly jump on the questions. So
Let's go.
uh, first of all, again, I say I really hope everybody is safe with all this pandemic and everything that's going on.
Yeah, touch wood. Yeah.
I watched the trailer. It was amazing. Especially the newness that we saw this time. That initially it was just like how it was based just on T20 league, but now it's more on Team India. From the domestic cricket, it has moved to international cricket.
Right.
So, Akshay, my question to you is like, what is your take on that? Like, it's a very new thing, when people are banking on T20 league. This is a very fresh change. So, what's your take on it?
Yeah, no, Khushbu, I've been, saying, I never really watched cricket growing up because I grew up in New Jersey. So I wasn't really exposed to cricket. I mean, of course, I knew it as a game, as a sport, but I wasn't very well informed with the sport. It's really after Inside Edge that I've sort of fallen in love with it. And I totally now get the importance of Test cricket, and I feel like in all forms of life, I'm a bit of a purist. So even with cricket, I feel the same way that I love that my character Rohit is particularly good at Test. Rohit Shanbag, the batsman that I play, he's particularly a really good Test cricket player, because the true test of a cricket player, according to me, is the Test in those whites. I'm really excited because it almost feels like now that I've seen season 1 and season 2, and now that I understand cricket well, or well enough, it seems like the game this season sort of returning to the game. The focus is back on the game, and it's giving the due respect to the game that it deserves. So I'm really excited to actually have joined in this season so that I could play against Mr. Vayu Raghavan, or with him rather, but the rivalry is our captaincy, um, in all whites. I think that's really exciting, even from an audience perspective.
Even we are very excited to see you now. So
Good, I'm glad.
thank you. So as we discussed, like Tanuj, I have a question for you. So
Yeah.
like seeing the trailer, I mean that's what I guess, that the resemblance was most to Mr. Virat Kohli.
Really?
The resemblance
Yeah.
to the character. That's what I predicted.
First time I'm hearing that. Yeah.
So, like, did you take any inspiration from his routine or maybe his fitness regime, or how did you
See,
prepare for the character that you were
you
going
know, so I've been ducking and bouncing on these answers from the very first time we did press for the very first season. All I'm going to say on this is that each of the primary characters on the show, of course, as a jumping board, as a starting point. I mean, you might have it might be loosely based on someone, because I feel someone like a Virat Kohli just summarizes what a modern day Indian cricketer is like. He's got the tattoos, he's got that devil may care attitude. He doesn't mind. He can come out and go down the track, dance down the track, the first ball, and hit it for a six. He's a lot more aggressive, a lot more in your face.
I
Fans
wonder
love him.
why nobody
Fans.
calls you Hardik Pandya though.
Hardik Pandya. Yeah.
to?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry
No,
for
no, no.
butting in.
I
But this.
I much prefer the other reference, but no, no. But I just feel
Do you have any words of
a lot
advice
of
of any sort of any therapist you'd like to recommend? Anything marvelous? Anything? No? Okay, just making sure.
I just feel a lot of credit needs to be given to Karan Anshuman and the team of writers, because they have taken like a prototype character and then just thrown him into many interesting and uncharted territories and situations, be it in his personal or his professional life. And that's what makes it really exciting and interesting for me to play. He's not going out there looking to be the hero. He just loves the sport, and sometimes because that he becomes the accidental hero. But he's not trying to do something heroic. He just wants to get on with his game and live his life. He is a bit selfish, and he is starting to realize season after season, game after game, that it takes 11 players on the park and a lot of other support staff and a lot of people in your life to make you the person you are today. So I feel that there will be a significant change in the way Vayu is in season 3. There's a lot more responsibility he has to shoulder, and I'm really cautiously optimistic, and I hope that you guys will warm up to it so I can continue playing him for the rest of my life. Yes.
I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna love it.
Rest of your life.
You can see the hard work. Over to you, Richa ma'am. I hope you're fine. I hope you're good.
I'm okay. I'm so sorry for the initial, work from home has different poses different challenges.
No, no, that's not an
Yeah,
issue.
we were already in the middle of conversation. So, hi, Khushbu.
Hi. So, ma'am, I'm a huge fan of yours, and like seeing a character like yours, we know that Preeti Zinta, along with Lalit Modi, she played a huge role in planning IPL in the initial years, and we see you owing a team and being a part of, Indian cricket team.
Lalit Modi, the guy who ran away.
No, oh yeah, initially, yes,
No,
initially,
no, he's still out of the country, no?
yeah. So I'm just talking about the initial part when
He's
they
with you in the UK.
हाँ वहीं जाते हैं सब लोग पैसे
हाँ.
उधर ही सब जा रहे हैं.
Are you in the UK, by the way?
No, I'm from Bhopal, Mumbai.
Oh, really? My apologies. I thought you were from. Okay.
No,
Okay.
I'm from Bhopal.
So
But
basically,
like I work in the company.
okay. I just wanted just a quick clarification. How did, just the first part of your question, who plans it with Lalit Modi?
Just my question was that like we saw initially that Preeti Zinta along with him, like they were initially planning, the IPL. They had a huge play in that. So like we also saw that you being a part of Indian cricket team, like in the show as well. Contrary to what people believe that cricket being a male centric and like the governance even it is male centric. So like how do you feel like having such an empowered role and how did you prepare for the character? I mean, I really love the character that you have in the show.
Thank you so much for that. The credit goes to the writers as always. Having said that, I don't know about how much Preeti Zinta and Lalit Modi planned the IPL because frankly, I never cared for it. I never followed it very much. And this is obviously a fictional show. And I don't even, I mean, every domain in the world is male centric, whether it's the investigative agencies or like most of sports or most of politics, if you look at a picture of the G20 summit, mostly men, right?
Right.
So that's everywhere. So, I mean, for that reason, any woman who wants a piece of the pie comes across as somebody who's ambitious or empowered or and such. But I don't know if she's empowered or naive, actually. I don't know because in the uh, first season and second season, she's actually getting tossed around. So I don't know how empowered she is, but maybe in season 3, you will see uh, her truly coming into her own.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Just my last question to Amir sir. Sir, you are playing the president of the Indian Cricket Board in the show. So, like, what were your takes on the politics and the strategies that are over there? And again, the preparation of the character. How did you get into that character with all these strategies and politics going on over there?
By firstly by reading the script and not looking at what is happening in the outside world, because like Tanuj also said that it's the job of the audience to find parallels with the outside world, but this show remains a fiction show, and a lot of what is happening, what there are times where you will find that things happened in the real cricket world after it was seen on Inside Edge probably. So there is a lot of to and fro in that sense, but like yes, it of course draws from what has happened in Indian cricket over the last 10-15 years, and how it has become more and more commercialized, and how there has been corruption, and how there has been the mixing of politics and Bollywood and glamour, and that is basically, so this show is basically about the commercialization and the greed that comes with it, and like in any other business. So that's what this show is about, because that is the root of the show, you try and look for specifics कि ये उससे मिलता है, ये character वो character है, but that is really not the case. If अगर वो बनाना होता Karan Anshuman को, so then he would have, like Tanuj said earlier, he would have made a documentary on Indian cricket.
Correct.
So there are no parallels as such. It is just the fundamental theme of this series has been greed and corruption.
Yeah.
Where there is no end to that. So we can have like Tanuj wants to play Vayu Raghavan for the rest of his life. Yes, he can.
I'm
because
sure.
there's no end to it.
Sure.
Yeah.
So I'm done from my side. It was a great conversation with you all. I wish we could talk more. I could get a chance to talk more, but I hope soon with Inside Edge 4.
Oh my God. That's
Thank you, Khushbu.
Thank you guys.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Khushbu.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
you.
Bye.